Hi guys, how y'all doing? Design Syndrome here. 31-day poster challenge, day 20, 10 more days to go. Let's get it. Let's hop into the Discord real quick to take a look at what were today's triggers. Okay, so for today we have driver, the word large, and the concept of Memento Mori. I think I'ma do the Memento Mori one. I tend to think about death a lot. So Memento Mori, it's a Latin phrase that translates to remember that you'll die. At the core of the phrase, it's about remembering to us that we are on a finite ride, and maybe that can inject with some urgency to the way we live our lives. It's nice also to stop and to really sit back and let things flow, but for me I found it that it's actually more motivating to think that it's gonna end someday, you know, and you really have to strive and push and to go after the things that you want. Be it, I don't mean it like only in work or money or whatever, you know, but experiences that you want to live, like for example get to see the full potential of what you want to do with your body or your relationships or experiences that you may want to live. So that sense of urgency has been really powerful for me. So that's the one that I'm gonna tackle. And one idea that I had for a poster, I think this was again from a phrase that I got from Ido Portal. I guess I was picturing, like, imagine like you were on your deathbed, you know, and we have this thing in when we live our lives like thinking that one day we'll get our chance, our moment to shine, right? It's showtime. We are wishing for that moment to come, right? And I have this idea for a poster of one being old, right? Being old in your deathbed, and then having the realization that it literally was your moment. Like every moment it's performatic. It can be a really mundane task, but you're literally in your moment right now. The moment you get out of bed, that was your moment. Not the moment you get the spotlight on you, the moment you're on stage, or the moment you get to receive any prize. Like the moment where was that, the moment that was gonna build up to that accomplishing thing that we desire, right? That's the moment, the thing that builds that up, right? That's your life. Like that was literally your moment. So to come to the realization of that when you're about to die, I think that that's really sad. But if you think it from this perspective of being young and being on the path already, it can be really powerful. So I want to do a poster about that. So yeah, let's just hop into Photoshop. Okay guys, I'm finished. This is the finished piece. I really like the result. I went really literal with it and really graphic, really powerful on the nose, because it's a really like a powerful message that I wanted to convey in this specific manner. Sort of like if it was like a comic book, you know, he's sitting in the bed, then wide eyes open, having this realization that every moment before this upcoming death like was supposed to be his moment, you know, to sort of trigger this idea of putting yourself in that situation and then be reminded of your own mortality. So I think I really like the piece. I really like the poster. So that's it, my guys. Hope you liked it. See you tomorrow for day 21. You already know how it is. Fuck peace. Wish you conflict.